We are about to see the biggest move in the crypto history this year, bratans. In the immediate short term, we will speak about, we will speak about XRP and Solana also. Let us start right now with the volatility chart, Bitcoin volatility chart. And you see here the red line, we touched it in 2013, we touched in 2017, but right now in 2023, we are about to break this red line even to the downside. And always when we touch the red line, what happened? We saw a massive pump to the upside, like you see it here. Also, we saw it here in 2013, touched, and then a massive pump to the upside. It means not pump, it means a volatility, huge volatility to the upside. So in the next weeks, we're expecting a massive, huge volatility to the up or downside. The question is to the up or downside, and this I will answer you. For this to understand, will it go to the up or downside, we have to watch the big picture. And the big picture on the weekly you're watching, we are starting with 3 indicators. To understand, we have to collect several indicators in order to understand will it go to the up or downside, to measure the probability will it go to the up or downside. It always not a guarantee, but the more indicators we are considering, the more we understand the probability to the up or downside. And we're starting right now with the market cipher B. It's showing us a red dot. A red dot means dot. It means it goes to the downside. You see it here to the downy side in November 2021. Huyak, it goes to the downy side. Also in February 2021, it goes to the downy side. So the market cipher B showing clearly us we will see some downside. So the next indicator, we are going to the MACD. The MACD is right now, we see the red line crosses the green line. It's a death cross. A death cross, it means nothing good. Yes, you're right. You see it here also in November 2021. A death cross happened and we saw a huge dump to the downside. Also in in April 2021, death cross appeared and we saw a massive dump to the downside. So the second indicator, MACD, also showing us a massive downy side. And right now we see the RSI. The RSI is here going down, but the price is of the Bitcoin price is going to the upside, and it's a bearish divergence. So it also indicates us that we should see some dump happen in the market, bratan. So in the big picture, I expecting in the midterm, I expecting huge dump to the downside and a massive dump, because you saw it on the volatility chart. But this perfectly fits in with our big picture, very huge big picture. If you're watching the all-time history of Bitcoin, it perfectly fits in, because in every bear market, what we saw in every bear market, we saw a relief rally to the upside and then a huge massive downside, right? Also here you see massive relief rally to the upside and a dump in the market. So right now we are expecting here maybe the relief rally will continue, because in midterm we're expecting a dump to 20k or even 16k, massive volatility. It clearly shows us, right? But as long as we're not breaking this yellow line to the downside, it's still on that we could see Bitcoin running to 40k. And right now, to understand what's happening in the immediate short term, we have to watch the funding rates. The funding rates getting slightly, and on some exchanges like Bybit, it's getting negative. And this is what we want to see. If the funding rates are going down, it means we should see a pump in the market, but don't expect a huge pump. Still expecting a pump in the market, because you see crypto options traders are still shorting Bitcoin volatility. And it obviously means if the most of the traders are shorting, what the market makers making, they make like this in their anus, because they want to catch all this liquidity and make profits on it. So what we expect in the immediate short term, I expect the immediate short term a pump in the market, midterm a huge dump, because you see on the big picture the volatility is getting very, very low, the lowest in the history of Bitcoin. It means we see massive volatility in the next weeks, and I'm expecting this volatility will go to the downside, because all the 3 indicators showing us it will go to the downside, right? So in the midterm, however, in the immediate short term, however, what we can expect in the immediate short term, I expecting here a pump in the market, right? Because you see the funding rates and how high the pump can go. I would not expect too much pump. So for our day traders, it could be 1.2% pump opportunity to daily support resistance 29,390, or we could go even higher to a level of 30,300. Why 30,300? Because on the VRVP we see massive volume is coming in at 30,000. 30,100. Wait a minute, wasn't it at 30,300? yes, here at 30,300, right? So technically it could be an opportunity. I would say take profits at 29,800 to be safe, but you can go even as 30,300, 4.3% long opportunity in the immediate short term for Bitcoin, right? And let us right now go and watch XRP, because XRP, some people are disappointed why it dumped. I mean, I showed you before that I expecting here that XRP will go maybe to a price target of 86 cent, and it happened also. We saw pump to 86 cent, but right now we are, wait a minute, logarithmic, I have to turn off. But right now we see we are cooling down to our support line at 61 cent, and it's getting very interesting because you see it here. If we are watching quickly in the news, we run also quickly through the news. Analysts are still optimistic about the token's chance of reaching $1. Is it possible? This will I will answer you right now. So in case we can hold here the 61 cent line, and in case Bitcoin will not further break down so the whole cryptocurrency market, I expect that we could see another bounce to the upside to 85 cents. So it could be 41% pump to the upside. But will we surpass $1? This is the question, because in case we are reaching $1.20, for example, this would be pump of 100%. We are right now at 61 cent. It would mean, and this you have to understand, it would mean we are right now here, XRP has a market cap of 32 billion. In case we are reaching $1.20, it means XRP would double. It means the market cap would be at $64 billion. So it would bring XRP on the total crypto market cap, it would be moved to surpass BNB, so it would be the fourth biggest cryptocurrency. Will it go to will it be a 10x? So it means a 10x from 61 cent, it would mean $6 XRP. If XRP would reach $6, then XRP would be number one in the total cryptocurrency market, because it would have a total crypto market cap, if it would do a 10x of 320 billion. You have always to watch. So the likelihood that it will make a 10x is very low, but I expecting still that XRP could possibly reach $1 in the next weeks in case the cryptocurrency market will be healthy. Will we reach $2? I doubt it right now. I think $2 or maybe $3 we will reach in the bull run 2024-2025. Let us quickly watch Solana. What's happening with Solana? Because in Solana it's getting very interesting. We are cooling down right now to our price target, to our support line at $23. Why it's $23 is a support line? Because if we are opening the VRVP, you see a lot of volume coming at $23. Will we hold it? It would be amazing. Will we break it to downside? Next support is at $19. This could be short opportunity in case the whole cryptocurrency market dumping also. So 11% short opportunity. In case we are breaking further to the downside, in case we cannot hold $19, I expecting we could go even lower to a price tag of $12. So it would be 43% dump. But I don't expect a dump in the immediate short term, because in the immediate short term we're expecting the whole cryptocurrency market to pump. So I expecting Solana again to reach our price target of local all-time high at $32. So 43%. In case we can break $32, the next big price tag would be $45. It would be 100% pump, 100% long opportunity in case the cryptocurrency market go to the upside in the immediate short term. Why 45? $45, because at $45 approximately, wait a minute, this was on the weekly, at $45 we have a huge volume coming in. In case we are breaking above $45, then we can expect that Solana will go to approximately, wait a minute, where was it? We have a little bit to zoom in. We can expect that Solana will go approximately to $90, because at $90 you see it here. Wait a minute, maybe I show it here. You see it here, a lot of volume coming in at $90. So, but only in case we are breaking here this level of $45. I don't expect right now breaking $45. I think in the immediate short term, Solana, the highest what Solana can do in the bear market right now on the relief rally is $45 to 93% still long opportunity. It's amazing. However, in the long run, I expecting Solana to recover and go to around $200 in the bull run. Not a financial advice. Do your own research. I quickly show you also my trades. So my trade is right now, I'm long swing position on AVE, $4,300 in a loss, 21%, and LDO is 36% in a loss. I remain still in this long position because in the immediate short term, I'm still expecting the market to pump. Wait a minute, I show you where we have. Wait a minute, here AVE. AVE is right now in the symmetrical triangle still. Wait a minute, I have to show to turn off. So right now it's still amazing swing, a long opportunity with a stop loss below $36 and a price target of around $155, $160. Risk reward is 3.04. Amazing risk reward in my opinion. However, it could we could wait until a breakout till end of the year, till October 2023. But the more we get squeezed, the higher the bigger will be the shot to the upside. So let's see. In the medium short term, it's in the long term, it's a nice swing position. However, do your own research, because in case the whole crypto market is breaking down like we expect in the midterm, we could go to $40 back. LDO is in a big symmetrical triangle. In case we are breaking it to the upside, I'm expecting that LDO will go to $4.50, which would be right now a swing, a long opportunity of 150%. It's amazing. If we are zooming right now in, and the price target is here. If we're zooming in on the daily, it's $3.20, because $3.20 is our local all-time high. In case we are breaking here the $2.40 volume zone, there's a high volume coming in at $2.40. In case we managed to break it, I'm expecting a quick pump to $3.20. So right now it's still also a long opportunity on LDO. Risk reward is here. Wait a minute. If we set our stop loss below $1.50 and price target $3.20, risk reward 3.91. Amazing. Just watch out. In the midterm, we're expecting a high volatility, as I told you at the start of the video. I'm expecting a high volatility to the downside, so it means LDO and AVE get crushed. Also, just watch out for it. It could be right now maybe a nice day trade for a long opportunity, because the funding rates are very low. It means we should see a pump in the market. So watch out for this, and let us quickly go. By the way, if you want, you can claim $1,000 bonus. Link is down below. You put $100 in, get $1,000 bonus on Bybit. Link is down below. Let us go through the news right now, because this is very interesting here. We have some news. Wait a minute here. Huobi stablecoin reserves down 30% amid reports of executive arrests. Huobi is denying reports that several executives were arrested in China. Nobody knows why they get arrested. However, last year, analytics firm CryptoQuant had flagged concerns over the quality of Huobi's reserves. So watch out for this. This could be some black swan event. In case Huobi goes bankrupt, we will see some other small exchange could go bankrupt too, because they're all connected with each other. Just watch out for this closely, and never keep your money on the exchange, bratans. Use a cold wallet. And what we have, other news, I think, oh, yeah, we are true. There are no more news right now, no big news. Huobi was very important, brother. So if you have any question, write me down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video if you appreciate it. I kiss you and see you later. Mwah!